The RingConn Gen 2 versus RingConn Gen 2 Air versus Ultrahuman Ring AIR Smart Ring Showdown. In 2025, smart rings are booming, and among the most talked about are the RingConn Gen 2, its lighter sibling, the Gen 2 Air, and the Ultrahuman Ring Air. All three offer solid health tracking without a subscription, but they are built for different priorities. RingConn Gen 2 stands out with best-in-class battery life, lightweight comfort, and unique sleep apnea detection, making it perfect for travelers and wellness-focused users. RingConn Gen 2 Air keeps the core tracking features like sleep, heart rate, and SpO2, but skips extras like sleep apnea and the charging case, offering strong value for those who want essential tracking on a budget. Ultrahuman Ring Air is better for fitness performance, recovery tracking, and women's health features like advanced cycle monitoring when paired with the power plug. Its app is data rich but can feel overwhelming, slightly bulkier with 4 to 6 days battery life. Bottom line. Pick Gen 2 for convenience, sleep insights, and all around balance. Choose Gen 2 Air if you want affordability without major compromise. Go with Ultrahuman if you're a data junkie or training focused. Do your own research first.